Hi, this is the Leica Disto D1 laser distance meter. It measures 40 meters in total. Basically, this measures in a linear fashion from point to point. So if you want to measure from one point to another, you have to measure or you have to place the distance meter on the first point and shoot the laser and measure it on the other point. Now I will show you how we can measure on this. We have inserted the battery. You have to press this button to turn it on. Now we'll place it on the first point. Suppose if you want to measure it from this point to this point, you have to place the distance meter here. You have to place the distance meter here. You can see the laser there. You can see the laser here. He's placing the distance meter here. And he's just clicking on. He'll now click a button now. This is the distance, 4.536 meters. This is from this point to this point. This is as simple as it gets. It also shows the last 3 measurements. This is the last measurement that we had got. This one. This is the previous measurement that we had done. It shows the last 3 measurements on the display. And this button, with this button you can turn it off. You can long press this. This can also be used for the back button. If you long press it, it turns off. I'll just show it to you. See, this is how you turn it off. How we enter the functions in this. These 2 buttons you have to long press for 5 seconds and then you enter the functions. This particular model has the Bluetooth as well. So to turn it off, you have to press the off button or the back button or the clear button, you can say. Now it is showing you the Bluetooth is off. To toggle to the next function, you press the on button. Now it is showing you the beep. You can turn the beep on or off by pressing the clear or the off button. See, it is turned on now. You can toggle to the next function, which is the third function, by pressing the on button. Now here you see a number of units which you can choose from. Now currently it is showing you it in inches. You can press the clear or off button to change it to various units that you require. This is in meters now. You can press it again to change the desired unit. This is in meters with 4 decimal places. This is only in feet. This is in inches, that is inch and feet. You can see inch and feet here. And this is only inches. This is inches without the decimal places. And this is again, you come back to the original meters. Now by pressing this on button, you press OK and you come back to the main screen. These are the functions in the Leica Disto D1.